In the heart of ancient China, amidst the towering mountains and sprawling rice fields, a land steeped in tradition and honor faces a dire turning point. The sun rises over the Great Wall, illuminating a world where the sacred samurai's code shapes the destinies of men and nations. Enter Liu Chen, a valiant warrior bound by the code of honor, facing a grave conflict as warlords vie for power. With his village threatened by the ruthless General Wang, Liu must rally his people to stand against tyranny. The stakes are high. Freedom or subjugation hangs in the balance. As tensions rise, a devastating betrayal unfolds. Liu's closest ally, driven by greed, conspires with General Wang. This treachery ignites a fierce battle that echoes through the valleys, where courage and deceit collide under the weight of ancient honor. In the aftermath, as the dust settles, the lesson becomes clear. Loyalty and integrity are the true essence of the samurai's code. Liu stands battered but unbroken, his resolve strengthened. A new dawn rises, promising hope and unity for the fractured land. Thus, the fate of Liu Chen and his people intertwines with the legacy of honor. In a world where betrayal once threatened their existence, they emerge stronger, embodying the true spirit of the samurai's code: resilience in the face of adversity.